Hey guys, welcome to With PC Mods channel. I am John Patrick Siwong and it's another episode of hardware unboxing. This time it's brought to us by Team Group Incorporated. So we received the massive amounts of RAM. We got here the Team Group T-Force Nighthawk RGB. So what's inside the box? It's an inner tray containing the RAM sticks together with the manual and the sticker badge. This RAMs comes with 4 variations of colors. We received the black one. It also comes with white, pearl white, and dark gray. This set has a total of 64GB in capacity. Each stick has an 8GB with a clock speed of 3200 MHz out of the box with a cast latency of 16 by 18 by 18 by 38 rated at 1.35 volts. So this Nighthawk is the successor to their Delta RGB RAMs. Mas upgraded na yung software na ito dahil pwede nyo na siyang isync sa inyong motherboard like Asus AuraSync, MSI Mystic Light, Gigabyte RGB Fusion, and ASRock Polychrome. Yung previous kasi kailangan nyo ng software na Blitz App by Team Group. Pero hindi ko na mahanap yung link kung saan pwedeng i-download yung Blitz App nila. So at least itong mga recent release ng kanilang RAMs, pwede nyo na siyang isync sa inyong motherboard. Ayan. So we will be using this hardware para sa Cooler Master World Series 2020 project natin. We will be partnering this on their SSD na Delta Max. Bali ito napanalunan natin sa MSI Rig Modding Reloaded 2019 noong ESGS yan. Actually silyado pa siya, so we will be opening this one later at the end of the video para ready na lahat. Yan. Okay, so of course, before we end this video, I would like to thank our sponsor, Team Group Incorporated, especially Ma'am Lilian Liang, Ma'am Jennifer Wang, and Ma'am Annie for your continued support. Thank you very much. So, kung curious kayo kung ano yung gagawin nating project for Cooler Master World Series 2020, please do subscribe on our channel na lang para updated kayo sa mga i-upload nating videos soon. And hope you guys like this video. Mod on!